अरे वापिस खड़े हो गए कितने लेगा रे
अरे कितना लेगा तू?
चलाएगा एक फोटो हमारा दूसरे का फोटो
Thank you. I request the girls to kindly take your seats.
Namaskar. Namaskaram. Sugandha Pillai. Well, how would you describe your significance, with relation to this occasion here? How would you describe that?
Well, I'm somebody who has always supported this cause, and I think what better opportunity to be for me to be a part of this than with a brand that associate when they're doing something as wonderful as this. I think I definitely had to be here, and all my support, all my backing to all these wonderful achievers here, and anybody who has dreams and who has the determination and the passion in them to go ahead and follow them. I think I'll always be there, and whatever little that I could do, my presence over here is just probably just a little bit of that, but anywhere, I'd love to be a part of this, and I'd love to be with them, encourage them, wish them all the best, and of course all my prayers with you.
Do you feel that you'll be really the role model for the children here?
Sorry?
You'll be the real icon, real role model for this.
That's something that you'll have to ask them.
Thank you. Shaina, what would you say about your,
everyone talks about empowering women, but I think that you have stalwarts like Leela Poonawalla, Aasin, who are not just role models, but who've dreamt their dream and realized their dream as well. We all dream. We all dream of doing something for our family, for our community. But how many of us actually deliver and make sure that we do something back for the community? So my only appeal to everyone is, जब देश भर में चर्चा होती है कि महिला को शिक्षित, सुरक्षित, आत्मनिर्भर होना चाहिए, शुरुआत कैसे होता है? So I think congratulations to Hindustan Lever, and I really want to say that when you support women like this is true economic empowerment. And I was just telling Balki that I'm so glad that men also participate in this felicitation towards women.
So this is for you, so Mr. Balki here. Vijay Shankar here. So your movie, Sri Devi's movie, was really something which everybody appreciated. So would you like to say something in that connection with relevance, of course, to women?
That is not my film, that's my wife's film.
Yeah.
I think the fundamental, the core of the film is all about respect for women. It's not about not enough that you love women, or it's not that women always seek love. More importantly, they seek respect. That was the fundamental thing of the film, and it's got relevance here because it's also a kind of a education. I mean, it's so simple to learn English, and that was the core of the film. So it has got something towards learning and things like that. So that's all there is.
Thank you.
Yes, we have another person with a question.
आसीन, आपसे मेरा ये पूछना है कि हमेशा सब कोई कहता है वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, लेकिन एक्चुअल में वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट कैसे और कब हो सकेगा, और इसके लिए मतलब वुमेन को भी कितना भागीदारी होनी चाहिए और किस किस फील्ड में?
मेरे ख्याल से women empowerment, मेरे ख्याल से it is I think mainly two things. It is emotional independence and financial independence, and I guess education helps you move towards the financial independence part of it. It it gives you a secure future, you chase your dreams, you achieve. But I think it's also very important that women get emotional independence. Sometimes we're emotional beings. We tend to be a little too over dependent on emotion in the regards of emotional aspects. So I think for women to be truly empowered, try being a little bit more emotionally independent as well as financially independent. So I think for me that is true empowerment.
Thank you so much. Just add on to that, technology, that's happened. What we really need to do is we need to empower them psychologically. That difference has to be made, and that can be made not only independently by them, but the society has to support them. Psychological empowerment, psychological independence can come to them not only with their own effort, but with the effort and support of the society. And society needs all of you.
Yeah.
ये महाराष्ट्र में ही इतना प्रोग्राम चल रहा है या देश के किसी और कोने में इस तरह के कुछ प्रोग्राम हैं आपके?
Mr. Srinivas answer.
We've chosen winners across the country, but I guess today is the event, where we are doing this in Maharashtra. There are many people who have been invited who are unable to join us. We'll find a way to felicitate them as well, specifically. But we have scholars across the country.
ये स्कॉलरशिप जो देते हैं उसकी राशि क्या है सर?
Sorry?
ये स्कॉलरशिप जो देते हैं उसकी कितनी राशि है, कितना पैसा देते हैं?
राशि कितनी?
Up to 1 lakh rupees per year per scholar.
और कुछ पूछना है सर आपको?
हाँ सर,
हाँ जी।
हम इस यहाँ की पाता के बारे में जान नहीं पाए थे पहले, अब यहाँ आके जान गया।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने संजय दत्त को जो है 5 साल की जो है सजा सुनाई है, तो व्हाट अबाउट योर रिएक्शन?
I think let's keep it relevant to the function and the occasion that we are here for and not any other topics.
फेयर एंड लवली फाउंडेशन की स्कॉलरशिप सेरेमनी का मौका है, तो हम चाहेंगे कि आप हमसे उसके रिलेटेड और हमारे गेस्ट से उसके रिलेटेड कुछ भी पूछना चाहें तो उनका जवाब आपको ज़रूर मिलेगा, पर उस मुद्दे के अलावा अगर हम बाहर ना भटके तो बेहतर रहेगा। विमेन एम्पावरमेंट, औरतों का काम, उनकी एजुकेशन, उसके बारे में हमारे
Artik Asliwal is my sister, so I am his brother. So one question is, learning and earning is one part of the coin, but when I look my sister, when I look at you, I want my sister to be like you, a distinguished woman in society, doing something for society, doing something different. So what are the some key points, keywords would you like to suggest for her so that we can implement it to have a better future?
You see, for her to do something for somebody else, first she has to become successful. So I would suggest that she should first focus on making it, breaking that barriers that come in her life. As she grows up, as she matures, as she thinks about her self needs. You see, basically everybody has certain basic needs. As soon as those basic needs are met, automatically, being a woman, she'll want to help. So she will automatically shine when she grows up. You cannot expect her to get that now. I mean, I have worked 50 years. I started my foundation, Leela Poonawalla Foundation, after putting in 40 years of service. And when I felt that, okay, now is the time for me to move ahead and do something for somebody else, that's when the time will come. It will come. It comes in everyone's life, and she will also get it. I assure you, she will be a brilliant star in her own way.
Thank you so much. Because of time constraints, we'll have to round up.
So we shall do that later after the event.
We'll give everybody an opportunity to get the pictures clicked with Asin and all the other esteemed guests. And for the media, if you have any specific questions for Asin or any other guest, we can do that after the event is over. Right now, we need to proceed. Yes, ma'am.
I just want to make one quick point that, for the girls, the parents are very important. And I think Fair and Lovely Foundation and Hindustan Lever has given this opportunity to them to rock and shine. But from the point of view of having 2 children at home, if it's a girl and a boy, my only appeal to every parent here is please make sure that opportunity is equal.
Thank you so much. And that